In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this insane edit using just CapCut. Sounds pretty cool, right? You don't need any expensive software, just your phone and a little bit of skill. So grab your phone, open CapCut, and let's create something insane. Let's go. So here we are in CapCut. First, I import the clips, and I'm using Ronaldo clip for this edit, and then I add this song I want to use. What I'm going to do is I add the video that contains this song I like, and then I extract the audio from it. After that, I go to the beat section and I only add one beat marker because this song has just one specific beat I want to use. Next, I change the aspect ratio to 3:4. In here, I just scaled up the video to fit the frame ratio. Next, I split the clip right on the beats and froze it. Then I add the blue emoji as an overlay and scale it down a little bit. Next up, I'm gonna show you how to make the text. So go to the text and type whatever you want. I just wrote what I go. You know, you can write everything you want. The font I'm using is Arial Bold. After that, choose a light blue color for the text. For the glow, I choose the default glow effect. The settings I used are intensity at 40 and range at 100. And finally, for the shadow, choose black as the color and set opacity to 50 and blur to 75 and distance to 0. I scale it down a little bit. Then export the video. Since we want to create the zoom in effect, everything needs to be in one single image. Add the video and I split the part I want. After that, I'm going to teach you how to create the shake effect. But for that, let's add the zoom in effect by simply adding two keyframes. One at the start and one at the end of the clip. Go to the end keyframe and scale up the clip. Then head over to the graph editor and apply the same graph settings I used. It's time for the shake effect. The first effect I'm going to use is the shake. Object, all videos. Go to adjust, set speed to 15 and intensity to 25. Add 2 keyframes. For the last keyframe, set everything back to 0. Now go to the graph editor and apply the same graph settings I'm using. The next effect is vertical blur. The object, all videos. Go to adjust and set the blur to 100. And add 2 keyframes. For the last keyframe, set the blur back to 0. Then go to the graph editor and copy my graph settings. Copy the blur effect 4 times. The next effect is called Rebound swing. Object, all videos. Go to adjust and set everything to 0, but the intensity to 30. And the last effect is camera shake. Object, all videos. Set the speed to 30 and range to 10. For the flash effect, select the clip and go to adjust. Add a keyframe. Then move a few frames forward and add another keyframe. For the first keyframe, set the exposure to 50. And the last step, go to animation, choose rock vertical and set it to 0.3. And that's it guys, hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. See you all.